Alright guys, you're welcome to another series in this brand new tutorial guys. Actually, within the past months, I have been kind of checking web hosting service providers out there. Like we have Namecheap, we have HostGator, we have Bluehost. So I've been checking a lot of hosting service outside there. I was just trying to check and see which one fits perfect and better. And for this reason, I really want to thank Alpharapid for sponsoring this video, and I will be recommending you guys on a hosting service in which you guys should try right now this 2022. Alright guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, okay, do so by clicking the subscribe button below and turning on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Alright guys, before we proceed, I want you guys to leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me, which hosting service provider are you using? Are you using Namecheap? Or is it Bluehost, or you are using HostGator, or which other hosting provider you can use? Host, any other one in which you choose guys is perfect for you. But I'll be giving you a recommendation if you haven't gotten your web hosting service yet, or if you have one that you think your website and everything is running down low, so you can check out this one I'm gonna give you. I'll be leaving links of everything in the description of this video, so do so to check it out and click guys, get your hosting right now. So this video tutorial series will cover everything you need to know about hosting and what you need to know, like the tips you need to know about a certain hosting provider before you can try them, how you can test and see if they are perfect, and also this hosting that I'm recommending for you guys come totally with real brand new technologies in which you can try out guys. Join us now and be one of the users of Alpharapid web hosting service guys. You're gonna like it. Okay guys, I'll be riding over to my laptop. I'll get you guys on the tips, and then I will show you guys how you could log into the site or sign up on the site, and then you purchase your web hosting service guys. The price range here is really very affordable for all of you who are starters, and if you want to have like close to 40 websites, 20 websites in one hosting service provider, or even infinity website in just one purchase guys, this is the right tutorial for you guys. So stick close and let's ride on to the end. Hello guys, you're welcome to another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be giving you tips on how to choose a web hosting for yourself, and I'll also be giving you guys a recommendation of which web hosting you should choose to host your website this 2022. And also within the course, I will show you guys how you could purchase a web hosting and get a free 1-year domain name. Guys, this process is really simple and easy to try out. And if you are following up and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do so by clicking the subscribe button below and turning on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Okay guys, let me give you guys, now I'll be giving you guys some basic tips of what hosting or the characteristics of a web hosting provider for you to be able to choose. One that we have to talk about, the amount of storage that is available per plan in which you choose. Guys, if you are going for a web hosting service, you have to look at the availability and the amount of storage which is available per plan in which you choose. You also have to look at the number of bandwidth that is available for you also according to your plan you are choosing. Also, you have to take a look at the number of domains and subdomains in which you can attribute to your website to make or your cPanel function normally. Also, you have to take a consideration into the email accounts and features, the database support, the framework support, and easy installation. So most of these web hosting services will not tell you what you need to know until you fall into it. That is why I came out with this course, that I can show you guys from what I've checked on within the past months, and I found out one web hosting service to be among the top best hosting service. Also, you guys should take a look at their technical support for a particular web hosting, because you should not go and fall short at one point and then you can't contact to the web hosting service to have facial contact with them. So guys, the web hosting I'll be recommending for you guys to try out in this course is called the Alpharapid web hosting service. And if you go over to your browser and you open on a new tab and you type alpharapidwebhosting.com, alpharapid.com and you click enter, you'll have something that looks like this. So guys, I'll be leaving a link in the description of this video below where you can get to this website. So when you look at this website, the Alpharapid web hosting service, and you take a scroll, you see what is off there, and you can get up to 60% off your web hosting plans, starting from $7 per month with free SSL certificate and 30 days money back guarantee. So guys, you can check out many other things that are available here, and you can see the number of users, close to 1.2k plus users already using this web hosting service, and you can have close to 13k domain names already registered under this web hosting service. And guys, if you continue to scroll, you can see the perfect plans and domains where you can search a particular domain and you get it. You can get a .com domain and just 9.5 cents per year, and you can get a .net at $11.05 per year. You can get a .in at that price, and you can get a .org, .info, .store, and there are many other ones you can try out. You can also check out the unlimited features and hardware stuffs in which they have available for you guys, and they have a 99.9% uptime. They have the SSD only cloud, and you can see some of the features. Also, they offer an affiliate program, so guys, you can sign up an affiliate program with this company and you get up to 30% of every hosting package in which people buy through your link. You can secure, they have a secured and reliable web hosting where they provide reliable backup and restore, secure server abilities with malware scanning, CDN support, DDoS, and also many other things. And they have a 24/7 chat support, guys. This is one of the best web hosting so far in which I've seen that they have a relatively high and fast customer support system. So you can still go further by checking what they got, and you can scroll right to the end. You see their price, customers, and everything in which they are coming up with, and they have a very amazing footer at the bottom with other services in which they offer. So if we can scroll right up to the top here at the top menu, guys, you can see where you can find support and other stuffs. You can check about their hosting. You can just click on hosting and you check what they've got. You can check on a lifetime cloud hosting. If you are planning to start up with your own hosting service, this is the right place for you to come. If you want just a hosting service for your own website and other stuff, this is still a right place to come, where you can have server uptime monitor. You can monitor your server 24/7 over here, and also you have the ability to create an account with this web hosting. So guys, so you have over here, they have the features of the light plan, where you see you can get your website speed up to 99 to 100 score on Google page speed. So their website you host on these cloud services is relatively fast. So guys, so you can check on the features that are available. So with the light plan, it goes for $4.99 per month, and if you check well, you can see you have one website, you have a free domain name which it costs close to $9.5 per year, and you have 10 gigabyte of space. Guys, that is one thing I recommended for you guys, for you to check out on your web hosting service provider. You check on the availability, the space in which is attributed for you. So you can see this hosting provider gives you much space for your website. So for you to host one website here and you have up to 10 gigabyte of space, it's really something. And you have unlimited bandwidth, you have one business email address, you have a free SSL certificate, you have unlimited database, you have light speed, 2 subdomain, and you have 99.99% uptime, and you have a DNS management, guys. So you can select it over here to buy, and you check out the second plan, which is the Pro plan package, which comes with 10 websites, a free domain. All these available same stuff that we had on this other side are available over here, but you have 20 subdomains. Apparently, guys, this is the hosting plan I am using now, and I would really love you guys to try out something. You can also check out the enterprise plan. Maybe you are that type of person that you have many websites in which you host online, and you can just get a one-time hosting service or one-time hosting that you host up to 20 websites, where you get a free domain and you have up to 200 gigabytes of space, which is SSD. So you understand how fast your website will be. You have unlimited bandwidth, you have 20 business email addresses, you have free SSL, you have unlimited database, you have light speed, you have 40 subdomains, and you still have the 99.99% uptime with DNS management. And this one goes just for 9.99 cents, sorry, $9.99 per month. So guys, you can choose to select a year plan, more than a year, a 6 months, depending on how your funds are. And I will really recommend you guys to try out these hosting service providers for your website. And guys, if you can also come along over here and you check on the other plans in which they have the dedicated cloud hosting, where you have also tons and tons of features available for you guys to try. You can also check them out, because this hosting service gives you guys really good plans to check out. So you have this one over here, you have unlimited website for the light plan, and you have a free domain name still, you have 200 megabits slash port store, you have 4 core, you have 8 gigabyte of RAM, you have 200 megabyte space storage available, you have unlimited bandwidth, you have free SSL, you have 99% uptime, and everything is working properly. But the problem here is you have to pay $39.99 every month. So you can select this one. It's very good for those of you who have large enterprises and you want to host tons and tons of websites in just one hosting service. So you can also check out their pro plan over here, which is also good, and it costs $79.99 per month. You can decide to pay it monthly after 6 months or every year. So you can check on the enterprise plan, where it costs close to $100 or $100 per month, and you can choose to sign up for this. Okay guys, so if you want to, you can come over to the login page. Since I already have an account, you click on login. They will show you a simple form where you can fill your information and log in into your account. So when you log in into your account, you have this simple interface in which you see over here. And this interface also comes with the same stuff. So you can go check out your domains, you can check out your services in which they offer, and all other stuffs. So over here I have one domain in which I've purchased, which is active. So you can see this is the domain name I purchased with this hosting provider, with hosting service that cost close to $107.99 per year, and everything is paid. So you can also check on the services over here. You check on your services, that is where we are, I'm sure. So over here you can see the services in which they have. So you can check on your active, your pending, your suspended, terminated, and cancelled. So maybe your plan may have been pending, you will see it over here. If your plan is suspended, maybe your hosting has to be renewed, you can see it over here under suspending. If your subscription has been terminated, you see it over here. And if you have a cancel subscription, you have over here. You can place a new order by simply clicking over here. When you click here, it will prompt you now to come over here, where you still see the same hosting services which we saw before, where you can decide. You click on annually, you pay $49 annually. You can come over this plan here, you pay annually. You can pay $107, which is the plan I'm using currently. You come over here, you can also check on yearly, so you have 159 guys. So I want to show you guys something, how fast and reliable this is. Imagine you paid $49 for this, and just by changing your plan to something that you can host up to 10 different websites, you have to pay just an extra to have up to $107 per year. So you're hosting 10 websites, or you can just decide you pay $159 per year, and you can host up to 20 different websites in your hosting service. So you can just click on order here. For example, you click on order, it definitely adds to your cart, and you can check out over here because you have to check for a domain name which you can register, and then you check out. So you can go to your home and you check on other stuff. So over here I have one service that is available. You can click on services, you can check, and in this hosting service you'll see I have my this available. So you see I haven't linked anything, so it's asking me to link. So you come home, you can go check on your cpanel, you can just scroll down and you can register your new domain over here by searching it. You can come over here, you check on the recent news about them, and then you can also check on other things like registering for an affiliate program with them. For over here you can click on more and it will take you, or better still, you come over here to the menu section and you click on affiliate. When you click on affiliate, you see they'll give you a link over here where when you copy and you paste, within every clicks and purchases that goes through your link, you have commissions from there, and you have wonderful banner designs in which they have made available for you guys who wants to do promotion of using your website. You can just copy the code over here, the short code, and you paste it in your headers. That will generate all this for your website. And you have an affiliate marketing website of your own and you want to include something, it is very good to try out the Alpharapid web hosts, where you get up to 30% commission of every sales in which you make through your website. So guys, we're gonna come back home, and then now there's one thing I want to tell you guys. There's a perfect, if you are tired of using that old version of cPanels in which you see white and some reckless stuffs on your page in which you don't really understand very well, you checking out this hosting service provider gives you a befitting cPanel for your hosting, guys. So when you want to check on your hosting, you can come on product services, you can view all, and over here you have I have one pro plan cloud hosting which is available, and you can see the details over here: registered date, recurring amount, you have the billing cycle, you have which is annual, next due date which is this on March 20th 2023, payment method. You can use any of these payment methods depending on which one is available in your country. You can also use PayPal to pay for your hosting. So guys, you can request cancellation, and when you request cancellation, you can have back your money back guarantee within the given time which they gave you. You can see that your hosting is active, and when you scroll down, you see your domain name, you see your username, you see your server name, you see your IP address in which your server is running, you see your name servers, the available name servers for your hosting, and you see it says I have no SSL certificate, so I will have to purchase an SSL and add to my site. So you can visit site or you can manage your domains, but I want to log to my cPanel. So this is a very great way. So when you place your orders on this website, basically what they do is they send you an email. And I'll also tell you guys, when you're purchasing domain names from here and hosting service, always check on your spam, because at times Google will just try to forward those messages into your spam because they come along with some links in which the algorithm is afraid that you might click on a Trojan horse or download a malware into your machine. So it's always good to always check on your spam and unspam the messages from there and keep them, because spam messages disappears after 30 days. So you come. Alright guys, so if you are tired of using the other ways of how you see the cPanels you get from other hosting service, Alpharapid is the best place that gives you one of the newest technologies ever. So you can just click over to services, and when you click over here, it loads here. You click here, just click over your plan, and when you scroll down, you see you can go to log into control panel. So now after purchasing is only when you can have this, after you have been sent your cPanel login details and stuff. So when you get here, you see this is the interface you find, which is totally different from the other interfaces you see from other websites. So guys, I really recommend you guys to try out Alpha hosting. So the first thing you have to do is to click on website over here. So when you click on website, you can have the list of websites in which you have, like you can click on this, add website, that plus website. So when you click here, it kind of loads, and when it loads over here, you can come to over here, like you have your active domain, and this is the only active domain I have over here, which is crestlansing.com. You can come over to manage, or you can come over to create website, and when you click any of these two, it loads you this interface now where you can find other features. For example, access logs, you can access your logs, you can find out the error logs available, you can check on add domains, like adding extra domains to your website, you can check list of domains that are available, domain alias, you can check on cron jobs, web host config, you can rewrite results, you can add your SSL. Like now that I don't have SSL in this website, I can click over here and I get my SSL or add my SSL. You can also change the PHP version, you can check on your file manager, you can open the base dir or the base directory, you can create an FTP account, you can delete an FTP account, you can create lists, you can manage lists, you can set up whatever you want to set as a host, you can compose, you can send mails, or better still, check on your email account. I will guide you guys more on that. And also over here, you can add a WordPress to your website, Joomla, you can get a git, you can do other stuffs and a lot of stuffs, guys. So I'll start off by showing you guys how you can set up your WordPress account and install WordPress into your cPanel, which is very easy to follow. So guys, you have the over here, you have Crest Lansing installation details. So over here you have to produce the details, like your blog title, let's just say Crest Lansing, right? So after this, you come over here, log in user, let us just use admin. We can log in as an admin, and you can input your password over here, like your login password, guys. And I'll input my login password, which could be something simple and or something tough that is difficult for someone to guess. So I can put it, and over here I can be prompt to put my domain. I can just put, sorry, my email. I can put my email, CODEwithCREST at gmail.com. So I'll put my email here, CODEwithCREST at gmail.com, and you can check on the path where you want to install. And since we don't want to like create a path right now, you can click on install now. So your installation is in process. So they are asking me to save my password, and I don't want to save it, so I can just cancel it over here. So your WordPress is downloading, installing, and configuration processes are occurring right now. So guys, this is a process where you are installing a WordPress into to your domain name. So if you have a chance of purchasing another domain name, because the hosting I am currently using on Alpharapid is the hosting that permits me to host up to 10 websites. So guys, you can still purchase other domains and you install WordPress to those domains, and you can also create subdomains and you host. You can create other add-on domains in which you want for your website and for your cPanel, guys. So as this is installing, it's telling us it is installed. Please, Crest Lansing or problem issue, blah blah blah, installation successful, visit crestlansing.com or problem stress. So I can come over here. This is what we had over here as crestlansing.com. We can refresh it and we have this displaying. So this is the 2022 theme that is displaying on our website. So if we come over here and we like put something like /wp admin, like when you want to log into your WordPress site, you always put /wp admin, and when you put /wp admin, now it can lock up the login page where we put our username, which was the admin, and we also input our password, which was something like this. Guys, I'm sorry I can't tell you what my password was, so I'll just input it and click on login. So when I click on login, what basically happens is that it opens my dashboard of my WordPress dashboard, guys, and from here you can create your website, you can change, install themes and plugins, do tons and tons of things with your website and create it and make it to be online. So guys, this is basically how I have videos on my YouTube channel, which I will also be leaving the link of this description, on the description of this video, how you can create a website, like step-by-step process, like the previous video that I dropped. So you can check it out and learn how you can create your own website, create and personalize your website in the way that you want. So we'll head over here and I will still show you some more features. So you can check on the users over here. You can view your profile. So basically in view profile, you can input your name, change your name and stuff. So you have your username, your email and other stuff. So if you want to do any editing, you can edit it over here. You see I don't have any first name over here. I don't have any last name, in which I can still choose to edit. I can come over here. You can check on your databases. You can create a database, you can delete a database, you can check the list of databases, you can check on your PHP My Admin. Maybe you have a project in which you want to host, which you did normal coding, HTML, CSS, or maybe it was React.js or PHP, and you want to host it. You can use your PHP My Admin database to view and access everything. It only needs you to know, to have a notion of how to set up this database, and then you can set it up. You can check on your DNS configuration. You can create a DNS zone, you can delete a DNS zone, you can add deleted records, or you can Cloudflare. You can also check on your emails over here. Like you can create an email. Hey guys, wait, let it load a bit. So you can create an email over here. For example, you can select a particular website or domain in which you want to create your email for. So if I can CRESTlansing.com, I can input the username over here, like let me say info, and you come, sorry, I already have one called info, so I'll just say support, and then I'll input the password here. Let me just put something simple. Okay, so I can click on create email, and when you click on create email, you see it will create my email. This is successfully created. So now I can log in my email and then manage everything from there. You can still come over here to emails and you check your list of emails in which I've created. Like I'm sure this is the second email I'm creating, because I was kind of testing this to see if it is really appropriate for you guys to use. So list of email account, change their user password, this. So list, why am I not seeing anything? So okay, so these are the list of emails that are available. We have mail.crestlansing.com. so we have the other stuffs. We have mail, this, we have this. Okay, and then these are the two emails that are found, guys. So you can change the password or you can either delete it. So we have info@crestlansing.com and we have support@crestlansing.com. So that is how you can create your email account, and you can still come to email over here. You can do email forwarding, you can delete an email, you can change password, you can check on other tasks about your email. So you can also check on the FTP. You can create an FTP account, so you can delete an FTP account. You can check your list of FTP account. So you can also check on your backup. You can create a backup. You can set up Google Drive. Like you can set up your backup in such a way that after every time something backups on your Google Drive. So it's like this site over here gives you guys one of the most fascinating possibilities of backupping your website, in which if in future you have any problem, which there is a 0% that you will lose any of your stuffs here, because it is 99.99% efficient. And you can also check on other things, but it's still always good to create a backup for your website, because you don't know, hackers might be targeting you more, but the security here is way too strong. So you can check on incremental backup if you want. You can set an incremental backup. You can also check on your SSL, like you can manage your SSL over here. Guys, you can also check on your PHP version. Like you can check on CREST I can issue an SSL because I don't have an SSL yet, and everything will be okay. So you can also come over here, you check on version management. You can manage your version, which is the PHP, React, Node.js, the Node and other stuff. So you can check on your design and other stuffs, like you check on designs and you check other things that you have. So guys, if you are looking for where to host your website, I recommend you guys to try Alpharapid. This is one of the most fascinating web hosting services that are available right now in 2022. and comes out with one of the new technologies of Web 3.0 that you guys have to try out. It has a relatively fast access speed. For example, if we check over here, we have a website. Okay, so we have CREST. Alright guys, I thank you all. So this is the speed of website that run us on Alpharapid web hosting. As you can see, when you go to gmetrics.com and you kind of paste your website to see the speed, you can see how this website over here loads. So this is just a display speed in which I took for one of the websites that is hosted on that web hosting service. You can see it loads at 850 milliseconds, not up to a second, and the structure is 93%, performance 89%, guys. And if you can work on your website more, you can have something best. Alright guys, I thank you all for watching this tutorial, and I thank you guys for staying put till this moment, and I just want to see you guys in my next tutorial. Stay put guys. Just go below in the description of this video and click the link and get your hosting service provider for your website right now guys. See you in the next tutorial.